Eldorado.gg Review 2025. Everything you need to know in 60 seconds. Eldorado.gg is a digital marketplace for game accounts, items, and services. The interface shows listings, chat, transaction history, and seller profiles. Fees vary by listing. The platform takes a commission plus payment processing fees. You can expect commissions commonly between 5 and 15% depending on category. Trust features include seller verification, user ratings, and a dispute resolution system. Pros: large inventory, competitive prices, active community, and frequent new listings. Cons: account transfer risk, inconsistent seller quality, and potential payment disputes. Safety tip: verify seller ratings, request recent screenshots, and confirm item details. Protect your account, never share passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and use escrow. Final verdict: a useful marketplace if you understand fees and follow safety steps. For full details and screenshots, visit Eldorado.gg, link is in the description.